Hey everybody, what's up? Travis Gaming 2230 here. Today I am here in my new room in my new house, and I wanted to show you guys today the fire alarm system here in this house. Now, this fire alarm system was put in years and years ago, and yeah, so here's my room. You guys can see my phone keeps going off, or my tablet keeps going off. Sorry about that. So there we have a system sensor smoke detector and a fire sprinkler with a pipe. I thought this would be pretty unique. So let's go out here. Here we have a system sensor mass strobe, or a mass and a strobe. Another system sensor smoke, I don't know the model, and another little sprinkler there. Deco siren, a Demco siren, I think. And then a 270 SPO pole station, fire sprinkler, an Edwards 270 SPO pole station, system sensor mass, and gas alarm, I think that's what it is. Another one over here, and a heat detector. Heat detector and another gas alarm sprinkler. So in here, we've got the fire alarm control unit. Light switch. Yeah. Here we have a Silent Night, I think, a 5235 annunciator, and I think that control panel up there is a 5208 SK Honeywell Silent Night. And yeah, this is the washroom, by the way. This used to be a bed and breakfast place, so and this is very unique. These sprinklers up here. There's the annunciator in there, fire sprinkler. In here we have another system sensor mass, the kitty smoke detector, a fire sprinkler, and this right here, let me try and find the light, is a system sensor specular classic strobe. It's a strobe. This is the bathroom. That's my phone. Sorry about that. Apologize. An Edwards, or that's not an Edwards, I don't think. It's a 270 SPO pole station. Don't know the company. Another 270 SPO pole station. And over here was a service, a Firelight BG12. And then we have a couple of smoke detectors over here. System sensor smoke. I know these are system sensor. I don't know the model of them. I don't know the model of them, no. Yeah, and over here, in here, we have another 270 SPO pole station. I don't know if these are Edward or not. There's another system sensor smoke. Yeah, so this is the rec room. So yeah, new house, and this is the rec room. So thank you guys for watching. I apologize for those dinging noises. That's just Facebook and stuff. So, yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Subscribe.